You have bad breath?
Bad back.
Oh. Watch the muffler.
Alright, I already see a problem.
What?
All these little things are going to slip.
Yeah. Take your blower when you get up there and blow yourself off a spot. Just don't blow them at the photographer, videographer. All right, good. Father's Day, 2021.
Huh? How do I transition onto the roof?
Go a little higher. A little higher.
I'm not afraid of heights, I'm afraid of falling.
Okay, that's actually that's actually a very soft landing here, as long as you don't get the concrete.
Holy moly.
There you go. There you go.
Stop it.
This is it.
I don't like this.
Is that your strong side or your weak?
I don't like this.
Go the other way.
I'm going to try.
Go to your right. You got a better chance of landing, having a soft landing.
I don't like this.
Okay.
I think I can do this.
Okay, hold on. I got another plan. Folks, stay tuned.
If I could just get on the roof, I'd be fine.
We'll be right back.
Get on